Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in Corus Paradise Resort, Port Dickson. So if you are not familiar with this hotel, actually this is a very old hotel, a 4-star hotel, and I booked through Agoda. It's about 250 for a night, 2 queen size, 2 queen size beds. So we have access to the children pool and also the adult pool separated, and above is all the hotel, the rooms. This is a very old hotel, 4-star, although 4-star, the setup and the maintenance of it is overall is okay with the price, comparable to the price. And the best thing is, if you want to have a beach access, this is the best hotel to go with. If you look at here, this is the access to the beach. And you can just play around with the beach. When you are dirty, you just come walk up here. Here there's a place for you to shower off all the sands, the mud, things like that. Or you can jump into the swimming pool. So this is the look of it in the afternoon. 4 p.m. is extremely hot. Like you look at the sun. Yeah, I don't think you can look at it. I myself can look at it. So yeah, look at here. It's so windy, so nice. Yeah, I believe night time will be much better, or 6-7 o'clock. Rather than you go to the Port Dickson, those open beach where there's a lot of people, I think this is quite good to have. Yeah, now, this is the view of the hotels, all the rooms upstairs. Corus Paradise Resort, Port Dickson. Okay, see you next time. If you want to find a hotel, reasonable price, 4-star, 3 about 4 stars, and have access to pool and beach, this is the best place to go. Yep. See you again. So this is the view from inside here, and you can see over here there's a small kids playground over there. Water slide, so the kids is very happy. And here is the beach, that's what we mentioned just now. You can have shower off over there after the beach or after you're swimming, and then or you can straight jump in right here to clean yourself up. Yep. Now, so this is the bedroom. Aircon is cold, but look at here, it's not leaking. I believe this is already patched it. It's just that the condition of the room looks quite old, but then the access to the beach and the view is superb. You see, look at it. This is the place that just now we are swimming. Okay, this is the beach area. The access that I told you, we have full access from here. You can walk out to access to this beach over here, or if you don't want, you can just enjoy over here as well. Yep. So after you walk over the beach, you can go here to have a sweet shower yourself off, and then you can either jump in or you can walk back. They have a full access to the lift itself to the room, so it's very simple, very easy. Okay, so this is the view. 250 Saturday, 2 queen size bed. I believe this is worth it. Yep. What do you think? Give me a comment. If you are not, let me know which hotel that you see is worth it, newer and at same price or similar price to this one. Okay, thank you very much for viewing. Okay, now we are walking towards the beach now. As mentioned by the management, the gates will close at 11 o'clock, so we better get out 11 p.m. at night. So you better get out before they close the gates, otherwise you will not have access to the beach, to the hotel anymore. Yeah. Okay, so this is the access, just a few meters away.
It's already like sand on the lake.
Definitely you can wash over there. So there's a best place there. There's a place for you to wash. Okay, let's go. Dear guests, this gate will be closed. Or this one, another gate, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. open at 7 a.m. Never mind, let's go and have a look. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm currently at the Port Dickson beach. Yeah, that's our hotel. Corus Paradise Resort Hotel in Port Dickson. This is the beach access that connected to the hotel itself. So who like beach? I don't actually. My kids like it. Okay, both my wife and myself don't really like it because it's super damn hot over here. Look at this. Oh man, if you are from cold place, I think this is the best place for you. But in Malaysia, we are so used to it, so hot. The beach itself looks okay, honestly speaking. There are also trash everywhere, you can see, but it's normal in Malaysia. Yeah, don't expect too much of the nice beach. You go further up. Port Dickson beach, overall it's okay. If your kids like to play sands, here is okay. Look at it. Look at the sand over here. It's okay. Yeah, nice. So who like beach, you can come down here. You can try the Corus Paradise Resort. It's connected to the beach itself. You can, after you play muddy, go out, take a shower and go back to your room and take a good rest. Yep, see you again. Bye. Okay, now is 5:18 Malaysia time. This is Corus Paradise Resort for Dickson's. We went from there to here into the beach itself. Now the weather is much more better. Maybe because of the rain cloud. Yeah, but definitely now it's much better than just now. You can see that it's not so hot. There's a lot of cloud. So now the weather is good. Yeah, the kids can come down. Water is coming back out in. Now is the best time. You want to do picnic, you can do over there. Those are public one. I believe you can go over there. Access, I'm not sure how do you access from there, but it's a public beach over there. You can camp there as well, or you book a night in this Corus Paradise Resort and you can have full access to this beach. Yep. Look at the sand. I don't see much rubbish over here, but yeah, I do have some, but overall it's okay, I believe. The water's coming back. Okay, this is the main entrance of Corus Paradise Resort. The night view. Okay, my evening time about 10 o'clock. This is how it looks like. The main entrance. The main entrance itself, where you put your car, the car park, is level 5. Now we are going to level 4, and later the reception there is level 3. Yeah, this is how it looks like at the night view there. Is it nice? Yep, not bad, but not much things to do over here. You need to go out. You have some restaurant here, but I think it's all selling the Western food. So this is a dietary. So now we are going to level 3. Where is the receptions area there. Actually, if it's take care properly, I think it's quite good, but just a bit poorly maintained. Overall, I am okay with this. Yeah, I'm okay. So this is the receptions area. This is the, if you want to get some dinners, you can do it. And here is the swimming pool. What I told you, the evening one. This is the, no, sorry, in the afternoon. So this is a swimming pool. The side is the beach, you see. So this is all how it looks like. How it looks like in Corus Paradise Resort. So if you ask me whether is it worth it to stay in Corus Paradise Resort, I believe yes. I will recommend it because it's close to the beach, and overall 250 ringgit for a so-called 4-star hotel with breakfast for 2. I think 250 weekends, breakfast, location wise is good, parking is there, swimming pool is there. Me personally, I have no regrets booking this hotel. How about you? Yep, give me some comments. Thank you.